Hey guys, so today I finally received my new accessory for the GoPro Hero Black, which is the media mode. Alright, so this is the media mode and this accessory is for the GoPro Hero 8 Black, etc. And what you need to know about this accessory is that it comes with a built-in microphone that is actually a shotgun microphone, and that's gonna pick up your voice from the front and from the back. So it's not a like omnidirectional microphone which gonna pick up the voice around you. What's more is that it has a 3.5mm microphone port for external microphone, so if you want to connect something you can do that as well. And as well as HDMI out port and USB-C port. Another very important thing is that this product has a limited lifetime warranty. So if there's anything wrong with your product, you can always reach out to GoPro, and if it's a problem on their side, they should replace your product. Okay, what do we have here? Media mode is actually a base for two additional accessories which you can purchase separately for your Hero 8 Black, and this is the LCD and the light mode. You can buy them separately. You can mount them on your media mode thanks to two cold shoe mounts. Alright, let's take a look inside. Alright, so what we have in here is of course some paperwork like media mode user guide. Okay, we don't need that. More information about limited lifetime warranty and the media mode itself. This is a media mode, buckle mount and one thumb screw. So what we have in here is the shotgun microphone on the side in the corner, and this microphone, as I said, gonna pick up the voice from the front and from the back. You're gonna a little bit ignore of the sound around you. And on top of the media mode there is one cold shoe on which you can mount, for example, your LCD or maybe additional microphone, as well as we have another cold shoe mount on the side. And usually, from what I've seen, people mount a light mode on the side of it. Alright, so there is a record button and mode button on the side as well, so nothing new about that. And if we turn around our media mode, we have HDMI and USB-C port, and also a port for external microphone. So if you still want to connect an external microphone like Rode or any other brand, you can do it thanks to the media mode. Okay, so let's put our GoPro Hero 8 Black into the media mode. So first step you have to do is actually take off the battery door from the side. So let's do it. Okay, so we can remove it and put it on the side. This way we have access to the USB-C port. I must tell you that when I was recording this video, I noticed that the media mode for me seems to be very fragile and sensitive, and I wouldn't be surprised if some people can actually break this door. For me, this whole mechanism doesn't seem to be intuitive. Alright, so let's try to turn on the camera. It's pretty responsive. Let's see if we can record something. No problems there. It really has a good feel to it, so we can switch between the modes and use the buttons without any delay or problems. We can still have access to the folding fingers, although here on the other side actually it's a little bit harder. I have a problem picking it up. Okay, I managed to do it, but it's not easy. Alright, so yeah, this is how media mode looks like, and let's test out the audio quality with Hero 8 Black with the media mode and without. Okay, so I'm recording this video on the GoPro Hero 8 Black inside of the media mode. Once again, you're listening to the audio of the GoPro Hero 8 Black inside of the media mode. And now let's switch to the audio of the GoPro Hero 8 Black internal microphone. And right now you're listening to the audio from the internal microphones from the GoPro Hero 8 Black. The camera is not mounted on the media mode and I don't have an external microphone, so I assume the sound and the audio should be the worst. However, we're gonna find it out. Once again, you're listening to the audio of the GoPro Hero 8 Black internal microphones only. And right now I'm recording this video with the media mode and external microphone, and in this case that's gonna be Rode VideoMic Pro. So once again, you're listening to the audio from the external microphone mounted on the media mode. And this solution is perfect if you plan to have the best audio possible, and you just plug in the microphone with the microphone jack in here, and you can basically use the setup with any microphone you want. And now let's do just the same test, so you guys have a basic idea if you're going to vlog with your GoPro and media mode inside your home. Right now I'm recording with the GoPro Hero 8 Black with the media mode, and I'm doing this test indoors, so you guys have the basic idea how it's gonna sound like if you are planning to use media mode and that shotgun microphone for some vlogging in your office or in your home, etc. And now let's switch to the GoPro Hero 8 Black internal microphones. And right now you're listening to the audio from the GoPro Hero 8 Black from its internal microphones. I'm not using any media mode or any microphone, as you guys see. This is the audio coming straight from the camera, and this is what you can expect from the GoPro Hero 8 Black. And right now you're listening to the audio from external microphone, which is coming from Rode VideoMic Pro. I'm currently having this microphone mounted on the media mode, and I expect this audio to be actually the best out of the three of them. And once again, this audio comes from external microphone, which is mounted on the media mode. Having an external microphone is probably the best way to go if you are serious about vlogging, or if you really want to have the best audio possible audio camera. I just wanted to share something with you guys. Let's go to settings for a moment, to ProTune, and let's go to microphone. Let's click on that, and you can actually manually decide which microphone you are going to use, whether it's gonna be front microphone or in this case back microphone, or if you want you can still use stereo mode. Also, it's very important to mention that since all the ports are uncovered, now your GoPro Hero 8 Black is no longer waterproof, mainly because you got rid of the waterproof door. Alright, so this is basically how media mode for the GoPro Hero 8 Black looks like. This accessory cost around 80 euros, and in dollars I'm not sure, but it's gonna be around 70 or 80 dollars as well, depending on of course where you can get it. Now, what do I think about the media mode? My personal opinion, guys, honestly I think that the build factor feels cheap and fragile. As I said, this mechanism when you lock it, that side door, I think they could do it a little bit better. The whole construction feels really cheap, especially when I compare it to, for example, like Karma Grip, and there was a harness. That thing felt solid. Media mode feels so fragile. On top of that, you have the ports for microphone or USB-C. Everything is exposed, so it basically makes your camera no longer waterproof, and maybe you can damage it somehow. I think that the audio quality that's coming from the media mode is a little bit better, but it's nothing groundbreaking. I think that if you want to have the best audio possible, you still have to plug in some external microphone, like I did with the Rode VideoMic Pro. The shotgun microphone that's on the media mode actually giving a little bit better audio. It can get rid of a little bit of wind from what I've seen. But I think that for 80 euros, which is probably like 70 or 80 dollars, I don't know exactly, I think they could do a better job I think this thing is a little bit overpriced for what it does, and I think they could do better. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. If you found this video useful, helpful, or informative in any way, give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.